Traders, top of the morning to everybody. Welcome to the 44 Trading Room. Welcome to a Wednesday, middle of the week hump day. And boy, we've got some good volatility in the market this morning and ready to take advantage of it today. Good day trading yesterday, just a couple of trades, and that's all that we really needed to get that day cranked up and ready to rock and roll. Okay, so today, as we start the day, we're going to be with a little bit mixed in the futures. We'll talk about that and more. Get your day plan for you, get the stocks that we're watching out there so you can take advantage of them as well. Welcome to everybody here in the room. Welcome to everybody on YouTube this morning. And as we get going here, we're going to start with Asia in the overnight session here where the Nikkei dropped 556 points. Hong Kong Hang Seng down 251.5, and the Shanghai and China the only bright spot, up 2 points. Europe still in session. German DAX up 172, FTSE in the UK down 61, and the CAC 40 in Paris up 9.75. You combine that with Asia, you've got 3 markets up, 3 markets down. So we're kind of even on the global futures standpoint. And that's what we're at right now. Dow futures are up this morning, up 69 points. Nasdaq futures down 52.25, and the S&P 500 E-minis are down 1.25 points. So not big deal, not a big deal. Oil's down 14 cents, 56.99 per barrel, just under 57. And if you're in the gold space this morning, all precious metals down. Gold's down, call it $36.90 to $44.59.20 per troy ounce. Silver's down over 5%. Down 4.284 down to 76.755 per troy ounce. Copper's down, platinum's down pretty big, almost 7%. Same thing with palladium this morning. Headline news: oil sales from Venezuela to continue indefinitely, and U.S. sanctions will be reduced, sources say. So they're easing that now that we've got an oil deal with Venezuela, and that's good. Trump is saying that Venezuela to give up 50 million barrels of oil to the U.S. Private payrolls this morning rose to 41,000 in December, slightly below expectations. But when you say slightly below, the estimate was 48. They come in at 41. You know, it's a reversal from a loss of 29,000 in November, so that's positive news, right? And that's about it this morning. Stock futures a little changed, so what that means is we're going to be looking at individual stocks that are going to hopefully make our day. And that's important as we start the day today. Okay, good morning to all here in the room. Good morning to Clifton. Good morning to Mark. Happy hump day. Yep. Glue. Thank you so much. Glue. I'll watch Glue this morning. I'll put it right up here. GLUE. See what it looks like. Yeah, definitely a player this morning. Thank you so much for that, Mark. Yep. Steve, good morning. Seth, good morning, my friend. Boeing News, Alaskan Air to buy 110 Boeing. Nice. Christian, good morning. Seth, yep, absolutely. APLD. Darren, good morning. Divide, good morning to you. Okay, let's talk some stocks this morning. I'm going to post the alert. DVG's got his watch list out this morning. My first stock out is going to be Mobileye over 14, MBLY. It is over that right now, but if it pulls back, that'll be the line in the sand for us there. Also, MSTR over 63 and then over 64. So we'll post that this morning. I'll give you the headlines on MSTR in just a minute so you can see for yourself what the deal is here on MSTR. Okay, there's that post there. CVX this morning, 159, as hopefully a continuation. You know, pulled back pretty good yesterday, and this will be decent if we see this stock go. It's got very little volume this morning. May end up taking it off. And then GME this morning. I'll watch this trade here. I'm not a big fan of trading GME, but we'll keep an eye on that. And then MU to the downside, 335 short here on MU this morning. So MU short under 336. Yeah, we take it under 336 and then add as it goes lower. Okay, there's the post there for MU, and we are set to go this morning. Again, post your trades, post your watch list, anything that you're looking at this morning. Let us know so we can watch it as well. Looks like the futures just are improving a little bit here on the Nasdaq. I'm not looking for a big pop. We're going to be looking for direction on some of these stocks this morning. So watch the energy sector. This CVX could be a good one for us. And also, I wanted to point out, where's my list here? Okay, yeah, here. MSTR this morning. Where are we here? GameStop strategy. Yeah, so there we go. Yeah. So the headline news for MSTR is that the Bitcoin treasury firm gained 5% after MSCI backed away from its plan to remove digital asset treasury companies from MSCI indexes. Whatever that means, it's a positive though. So we'll keep an eye on it. Okay. We are set to go this morning, and all we need is the open. DVG is here this morning too. We'll get some words from him. Looks like Amir is going to join us.
Scott, good morning. You hear me?
I can hear you just fine. Thank you. How are you this morning?
Right on. I'm good. No complaints, man. Just exciting times. Definitely some volatility. You mentioned one of the big names I'll be watching today. It's MU and SanDisk, SNDK. Some monster moves to the upside, and obviously with CES. I think it's kind of funny though. The CEO is buying a company that he started, so
Yeah.
go figure, right? The rich get richer.
Which is that one? Which stock?
Mobileye.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, MBLY.
So we'll keep an eye on how that behaves, and then just trying to keep my list pretty small today. Joby getting a little bit of a bump here this morning. That's JLBY stock I don't normally trade, but could be interesting. Could take that for 5-10K shares. We'll see. It might be kind of exciting, but yeah, more or less seeing that the Mag 7 names pulled back pretty sharply and have kind of held. So not sure I believe the pump other than the rotation maybe in the SPY. We're seeing that in pharmaceuticals quite a bit, which I don't normally trade, but we're seeing the pharmaceutical names get quite a bit of love as of late. So keeping my list pretty small, I'd say with my watch list, I'm adding BA to that watch list. Tesla obviously on the move yesterday, getting beat up pretty good. So we'll see if there's any continuation. I used my options. For those of you guys that took those options, we ended up selling out. I think at like 431 was where I finally got out. Got paid like $7, paid 360 I think for them. So anyway, a good day to yesterday overall. Let's see if we can replicate that today. Trade safe. We open markets in a couple minutes. Back to you, Scott.
Yep. Thank you, DVG. And as we get going today, again, Stock Pickers Market, we're going to get little help from the market overall this morning. Divide, good morning, Ali. Good morning to you.
Hey Scott, DVG,
Hey, Amir, good
traders,
morning.
what's up?
What are you looking at this morning, DVG?
Too much, too much, too
Too
much.
much. Good.
I need to
That's
borrow a
good.
few eyes. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
not too good, not too good.
All
You
right.
mentioned Tesla. I have the levels ready. Usually, it was pretty behind. So in Tesla, you never know. So I have the levels from yesterday, high, low, pre-market, high, low. That's the way I'm gonna attack, those kind of momentum. And new stock that it's been a while. I saw APLD,
Yeah.
so the
Yeah.
daily looks good. And I put few names because yesterday for me was a really good small cap day. So tons of small cap did like amazing. And some of the small cap that I saw today, UAA, Under Armour, what's going on
Yeah.
there? I don't know. It's not a big mover, but the daily looks phenomenal. If you watch the daily guys of UAA, 560 something, you're getting into a gap. It's not a big movers, but if stop is small and you can take huge amount of shares, we can nail it. And that's for me. Yeah.
Okay. About
15
15
seconds, y'all.
seconds to go. Yeah. We are ready to rock and roll this morning. Let's make it a good day, just like yesterday, hopefully.
Well, sneakily, the SPY put in an all-time high yesterday. 692.32. We'll be watching that.
Yeah.
We're opening pretty much right there. So let's definitely be mindful of that as SPY pushes all-time highs
He did
here
it like a
near the
thief,
open.
huh? We didn't even saw it, huh?
Sneaky, super
Yeah.
sneaky.
Yeah. Really like the stocks.
PLTR off to the races again.
Okay, let's see what we got going here. AMD just broke 210. Like SNDK, I'm gonna short here, guys. Okay, we're in.
What's going on? What is these candles? What's going on?
Yeah, it's a
What
withdrawal motion.
MSTR?
Tesla touched the high of the pre and immediately tank. There is a small shit. Watching MNTS, but it actually broke my. So I'm paying attention now on MNTS, guys. Um,
MNTS?
yeah, MNTS. Yeah. Right now the trigger will be um, over the high, over 12. If it's no, forget about it. It broke the stop and it's correcting. So I'm watching it. Wow, what an opening! Look at Nvidia and Tesla. Wow.
Yep.
But when I'm seeing this, I'm watching Nvidia. The low is 187. It's exactly the pre-market. So a lot of times, what I saw is those pre-market high and low, and the high and low of yesterday. It's kind of a point that investors are remember it. Like for example, now the low of Nvidia was breaking the low of the pre-market, immediately bounced back. So still watching everything. Too much AZI.
Out of SanDisk.
Same like UAA. So broke the high into the gap and immediately correct. So we need to wait for the. Look at Micron. Unbelievable.
I'm waiting on Mobileye around that 13. That MNTS looks good here this morning too on this pullback.
Did you see what he did yesterday? I was
Yeah.
trading it yesterday. Like I was very happy, but
Super.
yeah. Mobileye, you know what? If it get to 1350 area, we can start buying some, Scott.
Yeah.
1350, 1355, something like this. Like, I didn't catch it.
AMD down at 207 now. Wow. I'm gonna give it a second chance here to SanDisk. We rejected the close there.
NASDAQ only down, what, 3 points now.
And AMD straight down right now. Let's see. Everybody right out of the gate, pretty bullish. Pushing these markets higher. Boeing pulling back here. I'll keep an eye on that. 227 area. Boeing pulling back. Tesla aiming lower. Yeah, 351. Jeez.
Okay, 164 MSTR long.
Guys,
MSTR
AZI over the high, 460. AZI, I posted. My stop gonna be 25 cents. AZI.
Okay, and we're going to add at 165. Stop loss will be 162. Watch it here. About 19 cents to go.
Yeah, I don't trust these moves to the upside. I'm going to start shorting this market pretty soon here. Just gonna wait patiently to see if I could, get better entries up the tops. Google on the move. Keep an eye on BA here. AMD down at 208 again. Wow.
There goes Mobileye. Might try to pick some up down here. Watch the 165 here, full share size. Now MSTR, target 166. I'm going to get some Mobileye here. I'm going to nibble on MBLY. 1320. See if I can get it.
I'm gonna start shorting the markets here. I don't like this nonsense here. I think it's maybe we flounder to the downside pretty quickly and then find a bottom somewhere. Could be wrong. Looking at the cues right now. I'll use
Target
options.
1370 on Mobileye MBLY.
Tomorrow expiration. Looking at 622s or bucks.
Oh, MNTS. Fuck.
Grab 30 of those. Okay, we're in. See what happens here. For cues, aim a bit lower here. Holding the close for now. SanDisk, I'm so tempted to short, but now the spread's so huge on it. It's like $1.50, $1.30. Man, AMD is at 207.
Like a bargain, right?
No, I mean, two ways looking at it, I guess. Yeah. If it snaps 205, 200 becomes a reality pretty quickly. Coin aiming lower. Tesla trying to hang on to 430.
Still in Mobileye, still in MSTR. There goes that MNTS trade that you all were looking at earlier.
Yeah. Believe me, I see it. If it's going to bounce to the 12, 12.10 or something, I'm going to buy it with 50-cent stop.
Rick, 1323 is where I came in. 1280 break will be my stop.
SPY sitting at the all-time highs there, 692.32. We put in a new one today, 43, 692.43, new all-time high on the SPY. Okay, waiting for some big sellers to step in here. May not happen. May need another 5 minutes, which is fine. Down a bit here on these Q put options. That's all right though. 624.60 area, probably dump it if we start shooting through that level on the Qs.
Okay, the bigger one here is MSTR now, full share size on MSTR. We got in 164, 165, up the share size. 167 target. We'll probably get rid of some at 166 here.
Okay, I think we're gonna have a roll here in a moment. SanDisk, I might have missed it again. My second chance here. SanDisk, we're going to go for again. I'll wait. Small share size here in a moment.
Come on.
Our keys are right near where I'd want to have my stop here. You see, I'm down 30 cents. I can wait a little bit. Let's hit this candle finish. Anything higher though, I'll dump these put options. Doesn't really make a whole lot of sense for me. Looking at the cues moving higher when Mag 7 is down. It's interesting. Okay, we're in SanDisk.
Come on, Mobileye. Don't do it to us. 1280 will be the stop. 166 here coming on MSTR.
This is a second chance here, SanDisk. Let's see if we can get it. One of my put options. Here comes SanDisk. Very nice. Let's add. Okay, adding here.
I'm throwing an order 1210 in MNTS. I want to see if we can bounce to the view up. Stop gonna be like 50 cents.
Okay,
One
here's where I'm
second.
taking a partial MSTR blast off here now. Target 167. Come on, baby. You can do this. This looks great.
If
Partial
SanDisk
coming
puts
up
it in
here,
session
MSTR.
low here.
This will be a big trade for me here. Hopefully Mobileye starts to come too. Come on, MSTR. Okay, I'm going to take it here. 166.57, 166.60, 662. I'm out right here.
Keep an eye on SanDisk here, guys. We're about to get the break. We
Three
got half share
quarters of the
size.
trade.
I might go full share size right now.
3/4 of the trade out, MSTR. And now we're about break even. A little bit higher on Mobileye.
A PLD over the
MSTR.
high.
I
Then
decided
give
full
it
share size
25 cents.
SanDisk, guys. I'm a little nervous now.
Sorry, it's APLD, not APLS. What I wrote, APLD.
See this thing break, you know. Come on, SanDisk. Fall off a cliff, would you?
Anything under 165, I'll let go of the rest on MSTR. Tesla pop, Amir.
I know, believe me, I know. It's because that's what I was afraid. I was watching too many things, and then exactly what I thought would happen.
Come on, SanDisk. This could be a massive trade for me, guys. Holy smokes. We got stopped out the first go with a small little nibble, and now we are at full share size at the low of session. Just printed a new low. Guys, this is huge. This is huge. Can I get below 330? I'm going to take a partial here in a minute, guys. Wow, what a huge trade.
That's SNDK.
SNDK.
Let's put it right
Massive
up here
trade.
for you.
Stock that was 50 at September, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Believe me, I read everything about
Anyway,
it.
take a partial.
Guys, MNTS, I'm waiting to the 12 area. I have an order waiting there. I want to see if we can bounce.
I want to see 330, but I don't know. I can't be greedy. This is a nice break here. I'm gonna get ready to take a partial, guys, any second here. Have to wait for this candle to open. Hopefully open lower. Looks good. Yes. Still waiting. Still waiting. 334 print now. Beautiful.
Guys, APLD in. And I got to MTNS. Sorry.
Okay, just took a partial. What a massive trade on SanDisk.
Nice.
Oh.
I think it's got 330 in it.
Yeah, I still got some size, but not. I mean, I was at full
AP
share size, so I didn't want to risk
AP
too much.
APLD 31.40 was the high of the pre-market. If we get it above, boom, 31.80 is the next one. So
Nice job, Michael. Way to go.
okay, we're getting 30 cents in almost in APLD.
I might have to get rid of these put options on the Qs here in a minute. I'll wait. SPY all-time highs, guys. 693. Yeah, the two I wanted to short today were MU, SanDisk, and then AMD was a contender for sure. And we missed AMD and MU. That's fine.
Watching Tesla on the rebound. Over 437 in a dollar stop in
Come on, Mobileye.
Tesla. 437.
There goes your SNDK now. Watch it 330.
Yeah. I'm loving it right now. I only got 200 left, so
Okay, Tesla will give us
Might take another
even
100 in a
a
second.
better one. Let's see. I'm going to buy half position over 436 in Tesla. 436. Over 436.
okay. I have to dump these put options on the Qs here in a moment. If we don't move lower very soon, I'm hoping this is like an overshoot and then we dump. Kind of like Tesla. You saw it push to 439 and then pull
Okay.
back 4 points.
If we are holding the 435 over 436 Tesla, full position. Okay, guys, APLD, we broke the pre-market high, 35 cents.
SanDisk.
I'm still waiting. Didn't take a partial. Waiting for Tesla over 436.
Taking 100 off of SanDisk here. In case we want to bounce. We'll see. Hey, look at the bounce on AVGO. What did it drop to? 336 maybe? 335, yeah. And then bounce to 342. These markets are crazy. Plenty of
Yes,
volatility.
absolutely. Volatility is good for what we do.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mobileye sucking it up for me here. Still a quarter of the share size left on MSTR, just 2 trades so far.
Looking around some other names here. Palantir messing with 180 right now. I think maybe the Qs. I'm gonna add a few more. I don't like adding to losing trade, especially with options, but um, the theta is so brutal.
Okay, MNTS guy. Let's see if the bounce is now. I have a fill like 12.15. My stop right now in it's 20 cents. If it's breaking 11.80, I'm out.
To give you perspective, we started with
Tesla
30,
is out.
30 contracts at $1.69. I just added 10 here at $1.31. It just moved my cost basis by like 4 cents. SanDisk, I'm leaving 100. It's 330 break or not. Let's go. Let's go see the 320s. Huge trade. Anybody take that, by the way? I think, Michael, you did it, huh? SanDisk? 50 pizzas? Hopefully 50 pizzas means 50,000. Boom.
Yeah, nice.
Why pizza?
I don't know. Only
Why
Michael can
not,
answer.
right?
Thinking about pizza now?
No, that's what Michael says on his post here. Oh, you had 50 shares on SanDisk. Okay, still a big trade though, right? I wanted to get in at 350, and then we saw it bottom out. I got in, got run over, and then came in and nailed it for full share size. So that was a huge trade for me. The biggest trade of the year for me so far. Okay, we have Jolt's job opening at 10 o'clock. It'll probably have an impact on the stocks. ISM non-manufacturing data, we'll say. So it's PMI, prices, new orders. And then let's see.
Mobileye right about where I'm supposed to get out here. I'm still holding on to this.
Nice move on AVGO. Good recovery. Sorry to hear that, Michael. It's okay. Welcome. Um, I'm gonna have to step away here for a little bit, Scott. In about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Be ready for that Jolt's job opening data. That's likely going to be a catalyst for bulls or bears.
That's coming out at 10.
5 minutes. Ouch. What is going on here? might have to throw these cheap options in the garbage here. That got expensive.
Yeah, Mobileye's killing me now. Maybe turn right through that 13 now on MBLY.
Guys, MNTS. Okay, let's see if we can get $1. Still in APLD. MNTS. Wow. Okay. MNTS, we have $1. Good. Somebody took the MNTS, guys.
Let's get a huge pop here with this Phillips job opening data at 10. I'll probably hang on to these put options on the Qs unless we get below $1. Because right now, surprised to see. I mean, $1,600 down.
It
Yikes.
was, Rick, it was the same thing that I like to do. There was a level of the VWAP, so I was throwing order. So when he hit a little bit above 12, I got it, like 12.15, 12.13. Was not specific trigger. Was the area of the VWAP, and APLD now a few cents under the entry.
All right, I'm gonna have to hop here for a minute. I'll be back probably in like I don't know, maybe around 11.
Okay.
I'll be
Should
back
be
in a
here.
bit.
Okay. Yeah, we need to break 1280 and I'm out of the trade. Short lease, right? 40 cents, but that's fine. Okay, traders, I'm taking all shares off now. MSTR, all shares off. MSTR, 169.48. And I am done with that trade. That was a really nice trade. We got into that MSTR at 164. So the following, I'm sorry, 169.40. the last piece of that is a 5-point winner on the quarter. Now I just need Mobileye. If I can get MBLY, it'd be great. Come on. Yeah, there we go. MBLY. Still holding here. Not fun. Not on 50 cents.
Where was your entry, Scott?
1323. I mean, I can let it sit. I don't have that many shares, but I'm wanting to go crazy with it because of the share price. But
By
just
the rumor,
caution.
sell the news, huh?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Exactly. 1280, there is a level there, like you're there, so
Yeah.
the last portion I'm out in the stop in APLD. That small one, but not big deal. Not a big trade. Positive, but really not something to brag about it. I'm a sucker for punishment, I guess. Come on, Mobileye, don't do this to us. Perfect timing on the MSTR trade to come out of all shares, right? Wow. Saved by that one for sure. I want to take AMD over 209.50. Give it $1.50 stop. AMD. Well, actually, right there. AMD in. I bought a few cents above. It doesn't matter really. When you have $1.50, another 10 cents, not a big deal. Nvidia is strong, Scott. Nvidia is keeping its strength.
That's good for the market, right?
I don't know. I saw it. I want to go to AMD. ISM, yeah, I saw it. Okay, AMD. If AMD will decide to move, okay, Nvidia new high. Hopefully, it's wanna follow. AMD will follow it. High of the day right now. It's 212.13 in AMD. So we have still place, and then we have a gap. So lots of edge.
I'm not asking for much, just a small bounce here. Mobileye, keep me in the game.
I always ask for much.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm watching Tesla. I like the 435, but I want to see if we can hold the 433.50. AMD almost a point, but yeah, we're not taking this stock for a point.
Yeah, I mean, MSTR, big trade for me here, but I'm waiting on Mobileye. I'm waiting for the opportunity. That doesn't mean I'm frozen on the other trades here. I'm thinking seriously about the Tesla trade here.
That's what I'm posting right now, Scott.
Okay, I'm
Here
going
it
to
is.
join you here.
435, $1.50 exactly. If it's holding here, I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, AMD guys. Somebody in?
I'm going to join Amir at the, let me just get it up here, with Tesla at 435. Should come in now at 434, but I'm not.
Right now, Tesla is Tesla. I think over 435, it's gonna be better. Small cap word. I don't see nothing except MNTS. Still there. Stop is now under 1250. If somebody's there, want to give it. We actually broke the pre-market, so it's only 40% up. Can be much. It can double it like. Tesla is getting close. Wow, nothing to see.
When is it going to bounce? I don't know, if at all.
If Tesla is cause you to be afraid, you can take the TSLL.
Yep.
TSLL trigger will be 1780, and you're gonna have 20-cent stop. Same TSLL. It's like everything frozen, Scott.
Yep. A little slow.
Yeah, I don't know. Nasdaq bounced from the close. Spies on the close. Wow. Scott, look at MNTS. We're 2 points.
Hmm. Crazy, right?
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
over $14, man.
Yeah. The entry there, yeah, again, if you look for a really clear, like we have APLD, high of the day, stuff, those kind of things, definitely, especially when it break, you call it like a hitchhiker. So you want to see the first move and then where is the key level? So the key level was the view up area around 12, 12, 10, 15, something like this. So you just saw an order. And sometimes this is the only way you can actually get into those stocks. Tesla,
Come on. I'm out of the trade, Mobileye, MBLY. I'm going to try to make it up on Tesla here. And I'm going to go 434 Tesla and then add it 435. Taking on a little bit of risk here. Not sure what the market's going to do. But I'm going to go in with 300 shares. I'm going to add 300 and I'm going to see what's going to go on here. Tesla 434 entry. Can't handle the Mobileye. Straight down. Not one, look at that. Not one green 5-minute candle.
guys, I'm starting to watch Oklo. OKLO. I'm doing refreshing, everything. And Oklo, SMR is at the high, so I want to see that usually they're trading together. I'm gonna take Oklo 98.10. Okay, low. Gonna give it around 40 cents stop.
Come on. Boy, Tesla looks sick, right?
Yeah. Not sick, but you know, above 435, it's the only place you know we want to get in. Four 25. Raise. There is a small cap, ERAS. I wrote you the trigger. I have an order, 425. Gonna give it 15 cents.
Okay, those of you that are in the trade, I'm going to add at 435, and my target's going to be 436.
Are you in Tesla, Scott?
Yes, I am long
Okay.
Tesla right here.
Okay. MB, I don't know Mobileye 1280 if it has meaning. Um, this is difficult to find the right side of the V.
Trace, I'll be right back.
If you want to scalp MBLI, we can do it 12.51. Stop gonna be the low of the day, so it's like 25 cents. I'm gonna do it 12.51 and stop the low of the day, so it's like 25 cents. View up is around 13.10, so risk reward's pretty good. Right now I'm still in AMD, MNTS, and Mobileye. I'm still waiting for Tesla, 235. Sorry, 435. Difference between MU and Nvidia, trade star. Nvidia is pretty strong, and MU will be few percentage, not really strong. So I don't know. Okay, Mobileye. Let's see. Let's see if we can get to around the 13. Volume increase, which is good. Have questions, guys? Something you did? Something you want to ask? Still watching ERAS 425. Good. There is one word that I don't like. Head. You're out totally? I took bug. I took big partial. What's going on, Amir? Big partial, and right now my stop is under 13. Um, because I want to give it more chance. I want to see. What is the target? I want to see if we can, even though I thought, we had a good bar after a good bar, I wanted to see the strength in my mind. Sometimes I imagine the trade before it happened. In my mind, I thought it's going to be the level, it got to area broke the 9 EMA. Next resistance is the VWAP, and then I don't know what's gonna happen, but that was kind of my thing. Like, was a little bit more than 1 to 2, but I don't like what's going on right now. So my game plan will be now, if it's break 50, like 48, 47, I'm gonna reduce half position and still keep a stop half position low of the day. I thought I saw the volume and but it's not continuous, so I have to see. The risk reward, that was a good trade with Edge, but there's no continuous right now. So 47, I'm gonna take. I'm reducing in 4 cent lost, half position, and then keep a stop for the low of the day. What else are you watching, guys? Tesla is in. Let's see.
Okay, I am back. Sorry about the delay there.
I join you for in Tesla, Scott.
Good. Target 436 for me, and that would end my day on a high note. Small, smaller loss on Mobileye, huge win MSTR, and you know how Tesla goes. About 50 cents to go.
Okay, Tesla. $1, $1.50. I want to see if we could get to the high of the day, which is 438, which is we need it from there another $10 to the high of yesterday. So let's see. Look at Intel today, Scott. INTC
Yep, bouncing back, right?
bouncing. Wow, like crazy. Almost 10%.
MSTR off the bottom. I didn't get rid of it. No, I'm waiting. That 437 would be sweet. Okay, there we go. Well, Mobileye, just a turd of a stock, right? Still hanging in there with Tesla. I wasn't quick enough to get rid of it here, but I will.
MNTS stop. Under 1320, something like this. I think in MNTS over 14, I'm gonna give it like a 50-cent stop. MNTS. Oklo. Let me see Oklo.